Assalamualaikum dear students of class 7th. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed, Beria Foundation College Nusharaf Rose. Dear students, today we are going to solve activities on book page number 59 and 60. So dear students, activity A is fill in the blanks. Number 1, viewing modes can be accessed from the dash. In dash you will write down status. Number 2, in blank number 2 you will write down spilled. In blank number 3 you will write down Control Z. In blank number 4 you will write down insert tab. In blank number 5 you will write down zoom feature allows to view a document at greater magnification. Number B is state whether following statements are true or false. So dear students, there are 7 statements. Some statements are true, some are false. So the statement that is true, we will have to write down T, or we will tick on the correct statement. And the statement that is false, we will have to write down false, or we will have to put the cross symbol to the incorrect statement. Number 1, statement is true, so you will write down T. Second one is also true. Third is true. Fourth one is true. Fifth one is false, so you will put the cross or false to this statement. Sixth one is true. Seventh one is true. Okay dear students, exercise C is select the correct option for each question. In number 1 you will select B. Number 2 you will select B. Number 3 you will select B. Number 4 you will select A. Number 5 you will select B. So dear students, these are the activities on book page number 59 and 60. So today's your lecture is based on solving the activity pages, and your lecture is ended here. Today's your homework is to memorize question number 2 and 3 from chapter number 5 from the notes. Okay dear students, Allah Hafiz.